Hello everyone, welcome to EME Technologies. My name is Munish Sharma and today I will tell you how to make a PWM generator with the help of 555 timer. As you are all very known about the working of this 555 timer, it is a extremely robust and stable pin chip. It is basically a 8-pin chip which can be worked as a very accurate monostable, bistable or astable multivibrator to produce variety of applications such as time delays, pulse generation, LED converters and many more circuits. So currently I am doing a project on how to make PWM generator with the help of 555 timer. As PWM is a pulse which is in output is very low level losses are there, so we have to use this pulse, or other than this we can generate multiple voltage levels or variable voltage levels with the help of this timer. So first of all, it is a 8-pin chip. The first pin of this chip is ground, second is trigger, third is output from which we will get the output of the chip. The fourth one is for reset. We have to put it on pull up high to get it into the working mode. After that, fifth is the control voltage, and sixth pin is threshold, on which pin we are going to create a threshold for which we can create a voltage level, or we can control the output. After that, seventh pin is discharge and eighth pin is VCC, on which we can give up to 15 volts, 4.5 volt to 15 volts, any voltage level you want. Which voltage level you will give on VCC pin number 8, that voltage level logic you can get on the output window. So I have connected this potentiometer and some capacitors and resistors and diodes, signal diodes, to create a voltage level, output PWM voltage level. In this, as you can see, this is a variable resistance which is connected to the pin number 7. There are 3 pins of voltage, this variable resistance. Two are fixed one and third one is output variable one. The two are connected to the signal diodes, IN4148 signal diodes. These are connected to the pin number 6, and the output variable voltage is connected to the chip pin number 7 of the chip. After that, 1 kilo ohm resistance is connected as here, brown, black, red. As you can see the color code of this, brown, black, red are connected between 7th pin and 8th pin. 8th pin is our VCC. I am right now giving a 9 volt supply to this, so I can control the output on 9 volt logic. After that, there is a ceramic capacitor 104 number, which is connected between pin number 1 and 2. Pin number 1 is our ground, so it is connected between ground and pin number 2. After that, a 47 kilo ohm for a little voltage drop, so that I can get the LED blinking over there. So it is connected to the pin number 3. Pin number 4 is, as I told you, it was reset pin, so it has to be pull up high. So I connected pin number 4 with pin number 8, which is our VCC, and pin number 2 is connected to the output of the this chip, pin number 6. Okay, so like this I have created a circuit, and now I am going to blink a simple LED, or you can say vary the voltage of this LED so that this LED can fade away. So let's connect it. So now I have connected this LED, and the brightness of this LED will change when I rotate this potentiometer. So first of all, let's connect the power source. As you can see, the voltage of LED is right now, it's going to change. As right now it is low, but when I will rotate this, the brightness will increase. Okay, so like this. So now I am going to interface this motor with it. So let's connect it. So now you can see the motor is rotating and it is connected via the output terminals. When I will shift it and rotate it, as you can see, the motor speed comes down. Now the motor is rotating very low, and when it is drop down from the required voltage, then it will stop. Okay, so now I will interface a buzzer. So let's start. So now the buzzer is connected, and we can change the frequency of this buzzer by rotating this. As you can see, now the frequency has been changed. So like this we can change the frequency. Like this we can change the frequency, as we are changing the output of this output PWM voltage which we are getting on this buzzer. Okay, so here is the circuit diagram of this project. You can make it by your own by using a simple 555 timer and some resistors, capacitors, and this variable resistance. These two are the fixed terminals and center one is the variable terminal. Okay, thank you very much. Do like our video.